Now today we'll see the real purpose of selectors and labels and match labels and match expression. Today we'll see only four keywords. 1 hour session. I'll try to explain only these four keywords. Try to understand. This is very, very important in future if you want to troubleshoot Kubernetes cluster. I'm going to MS Paint. Already you know labels and selectors. Already we know labels and selector. Generally, who supports labels and selectors? RC. RC represents replication,
Application controller.
replication controller. Controller
Controller.
here. Here it is supporting labels, labels, LAB labels and SELECTOR, selector only. There is no selectors, the word is selector, is the labels. Labels. In the same, if you are coming to the replica set, if you are coming to the replica set, we are having not only, not only labels and selectors. It will know labels and selector and also also it knows and also it knows match labels and match match
Expression.
expressions.
Expression.
We need to see this clear clarity. We need to see this one clear clarity. How can I see this? How can I see this? First I need to go to Visual Studio, you know it. Visual Studio, VS Code. I'm connecting with my mobile net today. I don't know, something happened in my house. That is keep on blinking. Now I think it is activated. Just now it is activated. I'm shifting to right. Now my intention is what I want to show you. I'm going to file, new file. The file name is, we are going to just we go for RC replication controller. Try to understand replication controller dot YML. Enter it. Enter it. Just it is asking where you want to save. I'm choosing desktop. I'm choosing desktop. Okay, create a file. Create a file. This is empty. What I am doing here, simply I am giving a replication controller. This is the well-known story. This is the well-known story. Here we are having selector is the selector. Selector is going to match with labels. Match with labels. This is nothing but equality based selector. This is nothing but equality based selector. Already we have seen, right? This one already everybody know it, I think. This one everybody know. Here is what? This is the selector key value app my app and also labels key value app colon my app colon my app. Accept my request. Why? Okay. Okay. Kishore already sent a message. Now I got that message, I think. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, right. I understood. Now here, somewhere I explained, it knows only three things. What are those three things? Maybe single equal to, maybe double equal to. In this Kubernetes, don't this one and this one both are same. This one and this one both are same. The next one is what? This is the not equal to, not equal to. I'll show you practically these things. I'll show you practically these things. How can we see these things? We'll try to understand. We'll try to understand. Now see what I may do in the sense, just I am going to here where in Visual Studio, now try to understand labels app colon my app. Suppose we need to go with some technical words. Some technical words. Here is I am going to give those words. First I'll try to my open my document. Where is my document? This one. Not saved here. Not saved. Okay, no problem. No problem. I'll go with I'll go with these words. Where is that? Yes. These words in the sense, okay, environment, team, tire. Environment, team, tire. See here, I am writing ENV. ENV. Generally, environment means three environments, right? Generally, we are using which type of environments? Maybe development, maybe testing, maybe prod. You tell me which one shall I choose here? Here, even I can write an application. I am writing an ML file for development environment. Maybe same ML file for test environment. Same ML file for production environment. PROD. I am taking PROD production. Now, in the same way, maybe tire PIER tire. Front end. FRONT front end. Application is my app. Application is my app in the sense, this is Java app. This is the Java app. Here also what I want to give, everybody respond. My in place of my app, what is the selector name? This is also I make you which one? Java app. Why Java app I am giving? This selector key value is matching with is the labels key value. Is it matching or not? I may give this one, or I may give this one, or I may give this one. Here, see, three labels are there, but how many selectors are there? Please respond here. How many selectors? Only one. Here, in place, I may replace with this, or I may replace with this. Just try to understand what I am doing. Now, replicas, I am taking only two. I am taking only two. Next, what is the part name? What is the part? Here is the replication control name RC. Any other modification? Please respond. This is the front end. It is a spec container. What is the container name? See, Java app hyphen con. Here is the image name. Image name. Right? Docker. 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 HANDS. Hands on. Any spelling mistake? Docker. HANDSONR. And now tell me Java. Even Maven web application or maybe Java web. Which is simple one means Java web application. Java hyphen web hyphen app. Here I am not running. We need to work with those things. That's why I am giving 8080. 8080. Even you can go for region, REGION. And now tell me which region? Maybe US East or maybe AP South. I'm giving assume AP hyphen SOUTH. AP South only, right? SOUTH hyphen 1. AP South 1. AP South 1. This pod belongs to application is Java app, environment is production environment, tire is front end, region is AP South, or you may call it as India, or you may call it as India. You can go like this also. You can go like this also. Now, here how many labels I am using? Please observe and tell me how many labels I am using. Four labels. Four labels. Got it or not? Four labels. Now, simply copying this. Any other modification is required? I think no need. Control A, Control C, Control C. Now I'm going to Cloud Shell. Where is our Cloud Shell? Where is our Cloud Shell? This one only? Yes. Cluster got started or not? I think not started. Now switch to standard cluster. Switch to, if it is taking time, again I'll try to explain one more concept. Again I'll try to explain one more concept. See, I am creating a cluster. Started or not started? Switch to authorized. Okay. Create. I think we got clicked. Second cluster is creating or not? Yeah, only one cluster. Now it is started. Now it is started. Now suppose same concept I want to work with replica set. Replica set assume. Here I am going to Visual Studio. See, this is belongs to replication controller. I am taking new one. I am taking new one file. Even I am copying this control A. or otherwise I am taking new one, there I can apply it. File, new file, new file. I am taking rs.yml, rs.yml. But I said, right, what I said, you need to take deployment object, DEP, deployment object. Observe here. In place of deployment, you need to replace with what? Anyone respond? Replica, replica, replica set, replica set. Good. After that, same browser. But what it is that here? Match label. Match label. This is nothing but labels and selector basis. Match label. What is that? App colon. Here I'm also writing same thing. Same thing. What is the same thing? Java app. Java app. Here also labels are there, right? App colon Java app. Java app. If it is single one, if it is single one, we can go like this. Single one means this is the equality based selector. If I want to compare with multiple things, how can I compare? How can I compare? In there I given right tire TI here. Maybe you can take backend. Assume we are taking BACK and backend. After that, what I use there? ENV. What is the environment? Maybe you tell me. There I took production, right? There I'm taking test environment. There I'm taking test environment. I'm taking REJON region. Which region? Maybe US East region. US East region. Suppose if you want to work with like this, if you want to work with here, you want to apply multiple options. Only single option we can work. Either app colon Java app. Suppose this is not required. I may compare with tire here. Tire colon. Now respond here. What is the tire? Backend. This is the match label. Selector. Selector means which item? Search. Search. It is searching for whom? Selector is searching for labels. Selector name, selector key value, labels key value. Somewhere matching or not? Yes, it is matching. If it is matching means no problem. If it is not matching, we'll get an error. Now, what is our intention is? What is our intention is? I want to go with the, please try to understand here. When we match expressions, match expressions. What is your match expression? Now try to understand. Here, first I need to apply key, flower bracket, tab key, open curly brace, first key colon. What is the key here? You may take app, you may take tire, you may take environment, you may take region. Please respond here. Shall I take with app or tire or environment or region? Anyone shall anyone we will take. Anyone respond it in this way? Which one shall I take?
Environment, sir.
Environment. I am taking here, see, key is env. After key, we need to go with, here is the comma, after comma, operator. OPERATO. Which operator you want to use? Which operator you want? In match expressions, we may use generally two types of operators. One is the in, opposite one is not in, that exist, not exist. I may go with in operator. After that, comma. Then we go for values. Which values you want to apply? Which values you want to apply? What is the value here? We took environment, right? Which environment you want to work with? Which environment? Tell me. Here is the, which environment? Test. That's all. PST test. Suppose one more is there. One more is there. PROT prod. You may ask me. Here production is there or not? No, right? We are checking. We are searching for that. We are searching for that. Here is the space. Maybe here is just a hyphen. Just a hyphen. Got it or not? Just a hyphen. Suppose we are having one more, we can take like that. See, simply already existing example is there. See how we written here. Now observe. Now observe. Here is the match labels. Environment is there. Production is there. Here also environment production. What does it mean? Equality based selector. Only one comparison is nothing but equality based selector. At least you got the clarity. Only one comparison is nothing but equality based selector. See, set based selector, match expression is nothing but set based selector. How can I say set based selector? See, key we took team. Team is there or not? Here I team. Left side is nothing but key. Which operator I'm using? In operator. Values. Which values I want to check? Team 1, team 2. My key team. This team contain which team name? Which team name? Please respond anyone. Only team 1. Only team 1. T1 here is there or not? T1 here is there or not? Please respond. T1 here is there or not? There. What about team 2? Team 2 there or not? Anyone respond? Team 2 is available or not? Are you understanding or not understanding? లేబుల్స్‌లో ఏముందో దాన్ని ఇక్కడ మ్యాచ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఎలా మ్యాచ్ చేస్తున్నా అండి? ఒకటేమో కీవర్డ్. రెండోదేమో ఆపరేటర్ కీవర్డ్. థర్డ్‌ది ఏంటండి? వాల్యూస్ కీవర్డ్. కీ దగ్గర ఏమిస్తున్నాము? లేబుల్స్ యొక్క కీ నేమ్స్. వాల్యూస్ దగ్గర ఏమిస్తున్నాము? లేబుల్స్ యొక్క వాల్యూస్. టీమ్ అనేది కీ అయితే వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుందండి? టీమ్ 1. కాబట్టి వాల్యూస్ దగ్గర ఏం మెన్షన్ చేశాను? టీమ్ 1 మెన్షన్ చేశాను. అయితే మనకు వచ్చే డౌట్ ఏంటి? టీమ్ 2 ఉందా లేదా? ఎనీవన్ రెస్పాండ్? ఇన్ దిస్ సినారియో టీమ్ 2 ఈజ్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎనీవన్ రెస్పాండ్? టీమ్ 2 అనే వర్డ్ ఇందులో ఎక్కడైనా ఈ అప్లికేషన్ లో
is
ఉండాలి.
there.
వేర్ టీమ్ 2 హియర్ ఇన్ లేబుల్స్ టీమ్ 2 ఈజ్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్? No, not at all. But I mentioned here, if it is there, you can consider. If it is not there,
No.
leave it. If it is not there, leave it. For your clarification, again I am going to Oracle. Then only you will get the clarity. See, Windows here, SQL plus. Everything is there. See, I am going to there. Please observe. It is the Scott tiger. Why I am feeling very happy means I know this technology. That's why same environment in Kubernetes is following Windows key services.ms. I'll show you practically, then we will get the clarity. See what is the thing? Scott tiger. Now observe cat. Select ename. Select ename name comma job from emp. Try to observe. See what I need to do is select ename comma job from emp where job job in. Now respond. Maybe tell me one or two or three job names. Here job names are there, right? Anyone respond about job names? Please respond. Anyone job? There some names are visible for you or not? Here job names are visible or not? On my screen. Clerk is there, salesman is there, manager is
It's
there,
visible.
president is there.
Visible.
No,
Yep.
no,
Salesman.
salesman.
Manager.
I am taking SALS, salesman. Salesman. Now check it only one I am taking. Right observe. See, job salesman, those employee names am I getting or not? Suppose up arrow. I am adding one more name. Please respond one more. Already having name. One more job name. Tell me. Any one job name. I used salesman. Based on the salesman, I got the output. Now tell me one more job name. Clerk is there. Analyst is there. There are not. Manager is there. You choose and tell me which name shall I take. One more name. One more job name. Manager. MANAGER. Again observe. With manager also some employee names are there or not? Yes. Now what I am doing is some job name is ABC. Now you may get the clarity. Job name ABC is exist or not? At least respond in that way. Job name already exists or not? That job name. What is the job name here? In this ABC job is there or not? At least observe and tell me. ABC job name is there or not? Job name is ABC. Such job is exist or not? At least not exist. Not exist. Now observe. I am pressing enter. What happens here? If it is there, displaying. If it is there, displaying. If it is not there, leaving. Manjunath, got the clarity? ఉంటే ఐడెంటిఫై చేసింది, లేదు ఏం చేసింది, వదిలేసింది. ఏమైనా ఇబ్బంది ఉందా ఇందులో? వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్? ఇఫ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్, గెట్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఇన్, లీవ్ ఇట్. నో ఎర్రర్, నో ఎర్రర్. సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్. What is the concept I used here? A key name is team. There or not? Key name is team. Now, anyone can interact with me. What is the key name? Team is there or not? What is the operator I used? In operator. Within team 1 is there. Okay. Get it. Gather it. Team 2 is there or not? No, right?
No.
No. If no means what? What? According to Oracle, what we are saying? According to Oracle meaning leaving, right? Leaving, right? See, today, how many members are attended? Maybe, say, nearly 6 to 7 members are attended. Maybe evening class, only 2 to 3 members got attended, right? Got it or not? Even though one member attended, I am taking class. 4 members attended, I am taking class. 10 members attended, I am taking class. Even new member also added, I am taking class. Got it or not? In the same way, if exist, it will consider. If not exist, it omit automatically. What does mean? Final conclusion is, am I comparing single value or multiple values? Now anyone can interact with me. Am I comparing with only one or multiple values? Multiple. I am checking team 1 is there. Yes. Team 2 is there. If it is there, again consider. Team 3 is there. Again consider. If not there, leave it there. One more thing. Key tire. Tire is there or not? Check it. Tire. Tire means front end or back end. Okay. What is the value? Front end. Even you may ask me, sir, can I write back end here? Back end. Check it and tell me. Can I write back end possible or not? Please respond, anyone. Can I write back end or not? Yes, we can write. If it is there here, it will consider this. If it is not there, it can simply leave it. Is the where we can use such type of expressions means complex operations. Complex operations. Here, how many conditions are checking? I am checking. Please respond, anyone. How many conditions? Condition 1 and condition 2. Condition 1 and condition 2. This is the meaning. But in match labels, we can check only one condition, even that to single, what is that? Single value checking. Single value checking. At least little bit clarity, got it or not? Manjunath, are you there? I am asking. Yes, I am there. That is the match labels concept. Manjunath, not only you, but also Kishore is there in our batch today. If we say yes, that is nothing but this one. This is one condition. This is another condition. If both conditions satisfy, then only it will consider something. This is nothing but match expressions. Who is supporting match expressions? Replica set. Replication controller don't know this concept. Don't know this concept. Only knows which concept? Selector concept with the label concept. With the label concept. But that label name is what? Match labels. That label name is what? Match labels. Here, replication set knows two things, either match labels as well as match expressions. Match labels is nothing but general labels concept. Match expressions is nothing but set based selectors. What are set based selectors? Now I am giving clarity for you. Maybe in is there. In. This is the right term. Or opposite one. Not in. This is the okay. One more thing. EXI STS. Exist. You know the meaning of exist. Exist means if it is there. Unte. What is the opposite? Not. Not EXI STS. What does it mean? Lekunte. Exist. If already there, take one condition. That is the take one action. If not exist, take one action. మనం చాలా సందర్భాల్లో ఆయన ఉంటే అంట. ఆయన లేకపోతే అంటాం. ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఆయనతో పోయి మాట్లాడాలి. ఆయన లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? తిరిగి మన ఇంటికి మనం వచ్చేసేయాలి. ఇన్ ఈజ్ వ్యాలిడ్, నాట్ ఇన్ ఈజ్ వ్యాలిడ్. ఈవెన్ హౌ టు రైట్ లైక్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ రైట్. First letter must be capital. First letter must be capital. Got it or not? In, not in, exist, not exist. Okay, we'll see practically. We'll try to understand at least. We'll see practical. How can I write this? First, we'll go like this. Now, I'm going to here. First, which one shall I copy? Which one shall I copy? I go for RC, replication controller. This is the replication controller. Now control C, control A, control C. I'm going to Cloud Shell, Kubernetes. Just it is refreshing. It is already created maybe. It is internally running.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Ask.
In the application sector, we use
Ask.
both match labels and match expressions. Both we use, or only one is enough, sir? Depends on the
Maybe
labels and
depends on your
expressions.
requirement. You can use both or single one or any type. Even if you want to use only one first type, even I'll show you that also. Okay. Even I'm taking that example, observe carefully. I'm going to RS, right? RS. First, I'm leaving this. I don't want this. I'm terminating this. Got it? Observe here. Which one? This one I am leaving. This one I am leaving. I left, right? I omitted. See, what is the tire here? What is the tire here? Back end. Here also tire is what? Here also tire is what? Back end. Here how many
Bucket.
conditions? Yeah. Anyone respond? How many conditions are there here? Four. Four. Look, four are there or not? One, two, three, four. I am checking how many conditions. How many conditions can I check
One
with match?
condition.
Only one. That
Only
is
one
the
condition.
that is the simple rule, Manjunath. Blind notation. Match labels means we can check only one. We can check only one. We can't check more than one. We can't check more than. So we'll see that example. Control A, Control C. There I am going to here. Where this is not our requirement. Now kubectl. Cubes. I think properly copied. Cloud shell. Okay. Control Z or enter. Maybe you may get authorize. You may get wrong thing. Maybe something deleted, right? I deleted, I think, some letters. Up arrow. Just close this. Close this. Again, go to here. Connect. There run Cloud Shell. Now enter. Now tell me VA test RS. Test RS, maybe name may be there. That's why test RS1 dot YML. Test RS dot YML. Yes. Shift insert. Now something not entered properly. Not entered properly. What is this? Replica set is there. My app. Now we'll try. I think already I mentioned, right? Why such thing is not there here? Am I copied proper one or improper one? Please respond here. Yeah, only this one only I copied, right? This one only I copied. Oh, here I didn't mention properly. What is that? Here is 80, 80, 8080. These things are not required. This resource limits not required. Now consider this. And now what is the name of the container? Container Java hyphen web hyphen container. What is the image name? Docker hands-on docker docker already Java web app is there. Good column. Any miscellaneous is there? Please respond. Any missing? Any missing? If it is missing, I can consider that replica set. What is the name of that? Here is also replica set RS. Anything missing? Tire is backend. Here is also tire is what? Backend. Matching or not? Matching. You may get endpoint. Are you agree with me? Am I possible to get endpoint or not? Yes. Even you can check it. How can you check it? Just go for three dots. Three dots. Next, service, right? Service. I'm writing service also. Now respond. How can write service? I'm giving kind is service. Name is I'm giving Java SVC. Java SVC. Easy clarification. Now here guide me anyone. What is the selector name? Please respond here. What is the selector name?
Starting, we need to give hyphen at first. Three hyphens, sir.
Yeah, even that you may give or not give. That is not mandatory, Manjunath.
Yes.
Which will consider automatically. AML knows about that. AML knows about that. Whether you give or not. Whether you give or not. Okay, here also I'm mentioning proper way. I'm ending with what? Please respond. Ending with what? Again, three dots. Now, what is the service port number? 80. Every day we are following that one only. Maybe after 1 week, just like it is look like a serial. Even after 1 week, if you see the serial, okay, what you may feel. Oh, same thing is going on. Same thing is going on. Slight variance is there. And now any other modification? Here this is matching or not matching. Please respond
Not
anyone.
completely. Not
APP
matching.
colon my AP. Huh. With which one you want to match? Please respond. With which one? Whatever in match labels. What is the match labels? Tire colon backend.
Second.
This is nothing but selector. Observe here. What is the selector key value? Tire colon backend. Here also see selector is there or not? Selector is there. This selector, that selector must match. Here I am copy pasting. Here I am copy pasting for your clarity. Control C. Here also copy pasting. Control. Now you may get endpoint without any problem. Control A, Control C. Now I am going to here. What I want to do? Where should I go? Here, right? This is right. Now see what I may do. Escape, Shift colon X. First, what I am doing is I want to remove the content. I want or otherwise vi test or yes. Yes, I am giving dot yml. I given one more s. Shift insert. Now everything is fine. Escape. Shift colon X. Now how to deploy this? Please respond. How to deploy this? kubectl apply.
CTL apply.
Apply. Here is the
Test RSS.
test rss dot yml. Now everything is fine. It may create replica set and something goes wrong. Default unspecified resource for containers. Java web container something goes wrong. Anyway, but it is giving warning. See, it is created or not. RS got created. Anyway, warning only, no problem. Warning only, no problem. What it is saying? Hey, don't give hyphens. It is saying don't give hyphens, maybe something. Okay, we'll check it. kubectl get parts. How many parts we specified? Oh, even pending. Even it is pending. Okay, we'll check it that also. And now kubectl get kubectl get SVC. Check it service. We didn't specify load balancer, right, Manjunath? We didn't specify load balancer. That's why which type we are getting? Cluster IP only. Cluster IP. kubectl get RC. RC or RS? Replica set. Replica set. One pod. What is that? Current is one. Till now not ready. Till now not ready. Something goes wrong in pod creation. We'll check it. Why something goes wrong? kubectl once again get pods. kubectl get pods. kubectl get pods. Check it. Is it container creating? Container creating. Maybe memory is insufficient. Maybe something goes wrong, right? Container creating. Container till now not created. We'll check it. What is the problem? Shall we go and check it? Or otherwise kubectl delete all hyphen R. First we'll do that one. After that we'll go and check it. Now kubectl apply. Yes. Now actually we don't get warning. Autopilot update replica set default RS default defaulted unspecified resource for container. Something goes wrong in container. Try to check it and tell me what is the problem happened in. First we need to delete all once again. Delete all. Delete all. Without error, we'll try it. Then only we may get happiness. Now what shall I do? V8. What is that? Test RSS dot YML. This one only, right? Test RSS dot YML. Replica set dot YML. Now somewhere container problem is there. Here DOCKER HANDSON Java hyphen web hyphen app colon 1. Okay, what I am giving, this is Java web content. Java web content. Java web insert con container. Now escape. Now escape. Shift colon X. We'll check it. Now kubectl apply. I think for getting warning, I got the clarity. What I got it. So now check it. Here, what is the first one here? What is the labels first one? Anyone respond? What is the labels first one? App colon Java app, right? App colon Java app. What is the second one? TIR. We given here TIR tire backend. First you need to write first. You need to write first. Insert it is TIER tire colon BACKEND backend. BACKEND backend. Maybe this is the wrong thing. Maybe I am assuming like that. DD. Now remaining things are correct, right? Tire BACKEND backend. Tire backend. Now escape.
Type sir.
Any spelling mistake?
Type sir. Not right.
Where? In. Oh, you need to add type, right? Okay, we'll do that. Now, where I want to add, tell me where I want to add. Insert after the
Service.
specification. After the specification, now type colon load balance. PALANCE here. Escape shift colon X. Now same thing we need to apply. I think we may not get warning. Now not getting right. Manjunath got it or not? What happened? It is checking very first one for labels. Checking very first one. First one is matching, then only it will consider. Now kubectl get this. This is one of the problem, right? This is one of the problem. Kubectl get PO. Pod is running or not? Yes, pod is running. Check it. RS replication set is running or not? Yes, it is running. Service is running or not? Yes, it is running. Service. Endpoint got created or not? Endpoint got created or not? We'll check it. Endpoint got. How can I check it? Endpoint. Yeah. DESCRIBE. Describe. SVC. What is that? Java SVC. Check it. Endpoint got created or not? Endpoint. Endpoint got created or not? Everything is fine. You want to see labels. You want to see label. Kubectl get pod. Kubectl get pod hyphen. Maybe. What is that? You want show hyphen labels. See, what are the labels here? App colon Java app. Environment is test. A region is equal to US. Tire is equal to what? Backend. Tire is equal to backend. Got it or not? You want to see proper way. You want to see proper way. Hyphen L. Hyphen L. Now what you want to specify? What is the key there you use? Please respond anyone. What is the key you used in? What is the key? Label name. What is the label name? Hyphen O. Even we can give hyphen O. Not getting. kubectl get pod
MatchLabels, sir.
hyphen capital L. What is the name? IPP only used, right? Tire or we used? Tire, I think, right? TIR. Tire. That's what. That is EC. What is the tire here? Backend only, right? Tire is backend. Tire is backend. One more thing you need to check it. One more thing you need to check it. In place of capital L, you need to write like this also. You need to write like this. Here hyphen selector. SELECT selector. Anything goes wrong? Anything goes wrong? Selector would use in where?
Capital
Selector would
L is
use
label,
in
sir.
selector is nothing but label name only. I think RS, right? Not specified. Hyphen L is nothing but selector only. SELECT spelling is correct or not? But anyway, not getting. Anyway, not getting. We need to apply like that only. Anyway, I'll tell you that is not a problem. Capital L or small l? Capital L or small l? See, Mandana, here small l is equal to hyphen SELECTOR is equal to selector is equal to select. Why labels? LABELS. Labels name is equal to. Somewhere I said right. Labels name is equal to selector name. Must match. Selector name must match. Then only which will generate endpoints. Endpoints will create. Endpoints will create. If endpoint is created, then only we can see output on the browser. Output on the browser. Are you understanding or not? Browser. Now,
So this capital L, small L, sir.
yeah, both are valid. Both are valid. Either small l are valid, both capital L are valid. Both are valid, Manjana. Both
In
are
which label only, sir.
a label only. L means label only. L means label. See, even I can give here. Now where I provided. Now this is tire, right? TIR tire. TIR tire. Now tire is getting or not? What is the problem here? kubectl get pod a user capital L. Now it is supporting here. Generally small l is also valid, but a capital L properly supporting. Which L here supporting? Capital L. Tire is visible or not? Which tire here is backend? We mentioned right? Backend. We mentioned backend. Now, is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? In the same way, you want to get it, kubectl get parts hyphen L, even you can apply hyphen L. Now, which one you want to use? After that, in. Now tell me, TIER tire. It is TIER tire. Any problem? Any problem? Pod capital L. Pod capital L. What is the name? We use the tire only, right? kubectl get part. What is the label name? What is the label name? Tire. Ah, tire in. Tire in. What is the tire here? What is the tire here? Tell me. Back end, right?
Backend.
Back end. Back end. Now it is valid. What is the problem? Pod,
It is a single
hyphen.
quote, sir. Backend.
Wait. Capital L. Tire in. Actually, back end is right term, right? Back end is right term. Here, tire. What it is expecting? Something. um, Square bracket. You check it. Actually, in is nothing but normal bracket. In is nothing but normal bracket. Not found. Not found. Something missing. kubectl get pod hyphen L. Generally, what we specified here, only tire only, right? Only tire. In place of this, what we are specifying, tire in. Which one you want to specify? What is the tire name? What is the tire name? Maybe space or maybe without space. What is that name? What is that name? BACKEND backend. This is the right term, but it is not supporting here. Why not supporting? We'll check it. We need to mention like this. We need to mention like this. Okay, otherwise we'll go now
Can we
selector
try using the single quote, sir?
single quotes. Actually, quotation is not supporting. It is saying it is the brackets. Brackets is not allowing here. Manjunath, brackets is I am not able to support. It is saying okay, and it is saying what? I don't know why are you giving brackets, but this is the valid syntax originally. And now you go for or otherwise I am going the help of internet. Copied right? Stack trace. In operator. Label search in k8s. In k8s. Operator in label search in k8s. Labels and selectors. This is okay. Somewhere they written check it and tell me. See tire. See tire in. They given or not? See check it here. Tire in or not in. Tire in or not in. Manjunath got it or not? Tire in or not in.
Not in.
Generally, they given either in or not in. See, in operator they are using, not in operator they are using. I may go with some other such. You may get the clarity. kubectl, kubectl, get parts. Here is after that hyphen L. Okay, in operator pattern. Writing proper way, we are writing proper way, but this which one? This Google Kubernetes engine, even according to this, what they are saying, here space they took, Here no, but not identified this. Not identified this. Tire in. Key is nothing but tire, right? Value is nothing but BACKN. Okay, anyway, tomorrow I'll tell you. Don't worry. In this way, we can search it. In this way, we can search it. I'm taking a simple example, one more example. You may get the clarity. This example, I'll take this. Now try to understand which example I'll go. For this one, this example. See, this is the example. Now control A, control C, control C. I am going like this. There once again going to here. Here is the VA. Here is the VA. VA test. Test. Maybe hyphen T dot file. Test hyphen T dot file. Shift insert. Shift insert. Okay. Here, whatever it is there, leave as it is. We'll try to execute. Escape. Shift colon X. Now guide me. Here is kubectl apply. kubectl. kubectl apply hyphen F. Now again something. What is something? Warning, right? Warning in the sense it is not matching. It is not matching. First we need to do kubectl delete all hyphen all. I'll tell you that reason also here also. It's taking too much. Now good. Everybody observe here. Now observe here. Somewhere match label is there. What is the match label name? ENV prod. ENV prod. Here ENV prod where is there? A beginning only there, right? ENV prod beginning only. Good. Good. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Here we don't want to take this one. We'll take only match expression. We'll try in this way. Only match. Both we are using match labels as well as what we are using match
But
expressions. Match expressions. See, I'll try to remove this one. Now escape. Shift colon X. Defaulted unspecified resource. First kubectl get parts. Get anything goes wrong. Yeah, one by one getting means everything is fine, no problem. Again up arrow, maybe one by one. It is taking time, it will create it. No worries. We'll wait up to container create. One is created means remaining one also will create. Okay, anyway, kubectl get rs. kubectl get spelling mistake. kubectl get rs. Get rs. Now check it. See, 3 desired. Current is 3. Only ready is 1. We have seen, right? One part is ready. That's why it is showing ready. Up arrow. You may get maybe. Now 3 is ready. Now see the parts. Now see the parts. Here also ready, right? Here also ready. Now see kubectl get parts hyphen show hyphen labels. See, these are all labels. See how many labels are there. See, for each pod, for each environment production, team is team 1, tire is front end. Why same look and feel is having? Because of only one manifest file. How many parts? 3 parts, right? One manifest file, 3 parts. One manifest file, 3 parts. This is based on Which based run? Set based selector. If it is set based selector, we'll go with multiple key value pairs. This is second key value pair. This is third key value pair. Where we are using? Where we are using within match expressions. Have we used or not? Within match expression. Within match expressions. And now till now anybody having any difficulty, please respond. This is the way we can use for match expressions. Match label is different. Match expression is used for set based selector. This is the interview point. Match expressions. First we'll go for match label. Match label is used for labels. Label maybe equality based. Equality based selector. Is the match expression. Expression is used for set based selector. Got it or not? Set based selector. Even you can see this one. How can you see this? Just you go for describe. How can you describe? What is the replica set name? kubectl get rs. What is the name of that? Now kubectl describe. Describe. What you want to describe? Rs. Which name? This name, right? This name. Now there you want to paste it. Now control insert. Shift insert. Not having cursor here. Shift insert. Not copied properly. Yes, copied. Shift insert. Now see here. What is the operator name? Somewhere operator name is there. Check it and tell me. Operator name must be there. Operator name must be there. What is the name of the operator? What is the name of the operator? Yes. See and tell me. Tire is front end. Somewhat going there. Now labels, all labels we are getting. Somewhere operator we use. What is the operator? In, right? Internally we use in. Where is that in operator? It must see. What is that? Selector. Which selector we are using? Set based selector. How can you say set based selector? Anyone respond? How can you say set based selector?
In.
In is there. Otherwise equal to is there. Otherwise equal to is there. What does it mean? That is the equality based select. Equality based select. Everybody understood or not? Based on this, we can identify, is it following which format? Is it following either set based or equality based? Which is powerful? Set based is powerful or equality based is powerful? Set based is powerful. Tomorrow morning 6:30 to 7:45 class will be there. Tomorrow morning 6:30 to 6:30 to 7:45. Okay, I may go with today I am giving clarity. What I may do, I may try to implement one real-time example. What is that real-time example means? See, I am taking one microservice here. Maybe I may try maybe today night. This is one more microservice. This microservice wants to communicate here. Again, this microservice want to provide response to this one, Here we can see whatever you enter something, maybe I may enter ABC. That ABC is stored in here. Even you can see that ABC. One microservice is able to communicate with one microservice. What are those services? I am giving clarity. This is the WordPress. What is this? This is nothing but MySQL. Even industries or companies are using same processor, same format, same WordPress they are using, same MySQL they are using. This is the maybe nearly it will take or 1 hour or maybe 45 minutes. How to implement this? This is one microservice is able to communicate with another microservice. How can you implement these things? We'll see tomorrow. This is look like very simple, right? This is look like very simple. One more thing. I am the end user. I am the end user assume. I am communicating. I am communicating through internet. You know it. Morning also I said like that. This is the internet word. This is the internet. Very, very good. That person is communicating like this. See, this person may be trying to hear, may be trying to hear, but industry, maybe DevOps engineer, you should not provide access for this. Why you should not provide access for this? Anyone respond? MySQL is front end or back end? Anyone respond? MySQL is front end or back end? Back end. End user can interact with which end? Only front end. Only front end. End user may not interact to whom? Back end. These things also you will take care. What does it mean? This is nothing but cluster IP, cluster CLUS code, cluster IP. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? It is the load balancer. Load balancer. Here we are mentioning. Here type is load balancer. Here type is load balancer. Here type you need to mention which one? Here you need to mention type colon cluster. Whenever you specify type colon cluster IP, end user cannot interact with such microservice. Whenever you specify load balancer, you can easily access outside the scope. Briefing over you got it or not? Briefing over you got it or not? Those things will implement tomorrow. Those things will implement tomorrow morning. Thank you. Shall I wind the session? How many of them are practicing properly? Please respond. At least, are you practicing or not? I think Manjunath, you are practicing. Srinath, you are practicing. What about Kishore?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay. Ma Dharani, at least where is Dharani? Is there or not? Okay, Dharani left. Okay, no worries. Tomorrow we'll meet it. Both videos I am sending maybe within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.